In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background to text in Canva. If you've ever wanted your words to pop off the page, adding a simple background behind them is one of the fastest, cleanest ways to boost readability and style. We'll walk through exactly where to find the feature and how to fine-tune it so it matches your design. Start by opening Canva and heading to the design you're working on. This could be a social post, a presentation slide, a thumbnail, anything with text. Make sure the design is fully loaded so the top toolbar appears. Click directly on the text box you want to enhance. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the text cursor or outline around your text. If you have multiple text boxes, click the exact one you want to change so the right options show up. With your text box selected, look to the top toolbar and click the Effects button. If you don't see it, double-check that your text is highlighted. The Effects option only appears for active text boxes. Clicking Effects opens a panel with a range of text styling options. In the Effects panel, scroll until you find Background or Background Text Effect, depending on your version. Select it to instantly apply a solid shape behind your text. This creates a clean block that makes your words stand out, which is especially helpful over photos, gradients, or busy patterns. Now customize the look so it fits your design. Use the roundness slider to control the corners of the background. Lower values give you crisp, square edges, while higher values create soft, pill-like shapes. Adjust the spread slider to change the padding, the space between your letters and the edge of the background. Increasing spread makes the background larger around the text for a bolder, more prominent label. Next, fine-tune the transparency. This controls how solid or see-through the background is. A lower transparency gives you a strong, opaque block for maximum contrast. A higher transparency blends the background into your design for a softer feel. Finally, choose a color with the color picker. Consider your overall palette and aim for contrast so your text stays readable. Dark text works best on lighter backgrounds and vice versa. If you're using brand colors, this is a great place to reinforce them. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.